Stop paying for AI coding tools, because today, a brand new model just dropped, and it might be one of the biggest surprises of the year. It's called MiniMax M3. This thing comes with a 1 million token context window, insane coding performance, and some wild speed claims that are putting pressure on much bigger AI companies. And the craziest part? You can start using it for coding completely free. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you what MiniMax M3 actually is, how good it is for real coding tasks, where it beats expectations, where it still falls short, and how you can start using it right now without spending a single dollar. Let's get into it. So what exactly is MiniMax M3? Well, this isn't just another AI chatbot. MiniMax M3 was built specifically for coding and agentic tasks, meaning it can plan, use tools, work through complex problems, and handle large code bases. It also comes with a massive 1 million token context window, allowing it to understand huge projects in a single conversation. And thanks to its new MiniMax Sparse attention architecture, it's significantly faster than the previous generation. The benchmark results are impressive too, with MiniMax M3 outperforming GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on SWE-Bench Pro, one of the industry's most respected coding benchmarks. But what makes it interesting isn't just the benchmarks. MiniMax says M3 spent nearly 24 hours autonomously optimizing code and solving engineering tasks with minimal human involvement. That's not the behavior of a typical chatbot. It's the kind of capability you'd expect from a real coding agent. Now, benchmarks are great, but what really matters is whether a model can build something useful. So I gave MiniMax M3 a simple challenge: build a complete task manager web app using React and Tailwind CSS. This wasn't just a basic to-do list. The app needed a clean UI, task management features, responsive design, and real functionality. A few moments later, MiniMax M3 generated the entire project on its own, and honestly, the result was surprisingly good. Here's the result. MiniMax M3 generated a complete task manager web app with a clean, modern interface and fully functional task management features. The landing page includes dedicated sections for features, tasks, how it works, and frequently asked questions, along with a polished hero section that immediately makes the project feel professional. But the impressive part isn't just the design. The task management system is actually working. Users can create tasks, manage them, organize their workflow, and interact with the application just like they would in a real productivity tool. The features aren't placeholders. They're functional. And that's important because there's a huge difference between generating a pretty UI and generating a usable application. What's interesting is that all of this came from a single prompt. MiniMax M3 wasn't just generating React components one by one. It was building the structure of an entire product, connecting the functionality, organizing the user flow, and creating something that developers can immediately build on top of. For a model that launched today, that's genuinely impressive. Because the future of coding AI isn't about writing individual functions. It's about taking a task, understanding the goal, and turning it into a working application. And based on this result, MiniMax M3 looks surprisingly capable of doing exactly that. And if you want to use MiniMax M3 inside your IDE completely free, in the next video, I'll show you the exact setup process, connect it to your coding workflow, and start using MiniMax M3 for real development with no paid subscription required. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye and take care.